What's up, everybody? Zach here with another Home Depot Seeds Program review. This is going to be the Color Blast Candy Cane RGB LED lights. Comes with 3 in a pack. Comes with a remote control, plug in the wall, stakes to put in the ground, and I think these are for if you're going to link some together. But I didn't have directions in the box, so I don't know if they got thrown out in the bubble wrap by accident or they just didn't include them, but they're pretty straightforward. So they're clear, they got a bunch of little lights inside them. And then with this remote, turn them on. If you want to change the color, it's really simple. You just go around here. They have a couple different options. You can do that, you can do that, you can play. There's a couple, I think 9 different animations. So I'm sure there's something for everybody. I wish I could give you some more info on how everything works, but I don't. You get the idea. I don't think they're all that expensive. Probably around 20 bucks or so. They're about the quality of 20 bucks. But I think outside they'll be pretty bright because they do have a bunch of LEDs, and then you can turn them off and on and everything just from inside. Pretty cool. Got these early because it's today's September 3rd and I'm doing this video, and still got a little while before Christmas. Still trying to enjoy the summer, but they're pretty cool. I'd probably get like 3 sets, so I'd have 9 if I was going to do my whole walkway. But these would be a cool addition for Christmas.